Hello everyone, I am Rabia Akhtar from Central Women's University, Bangladesh. Today I will be presenting the nexus between earnings management and sustainability, a paradigm from emerging economies. I will be briefly discussing this agenda throughout my presentation. I am thankful to my colleague MD Abu Toha for his endless support in this paper. Before starting the presentation, I would like to recall one famous quote by Arthur Levitt Jr. from his book The Number Game. Numbers in the abstract are just that, numbers, but relying on the number in a financial report are livelihood, interest, and ultimately the stories of America. You might be wondering how this quote is related to our paper. Yes, we are talking about numbers manipulation. And one of the smartest way to do that manipulation is earnings management. To keep pace with the global agendas, sustainable business and ethical reporting of the earnings have received considerable attention from academia and industries in the emerging economies. From the literature, we have seen that there is an existence of earnings management in the pharmaceuticals and chemical industries. We also have seen that the effect of earnings management has been measured from single dimension of sustainability and disclosure. But they didn't investigate the relationship between earnings management and sustainability reporting from multidimensional perspective in the developing countries like Bangladesh. With that literature review in hand, we have conducted this study to investigate the relationship between earnings management and sustainability from a three-dimensional point of view, namely economic, social, and environmental. To fulfill that objective, we have developed number of research questions. One of the prime research question was whether there is any significant relationship between earnings management and sustainability from a three-dimensional point of view. Although the type of our study is mainly quantitative, we have used some qualitative judgment as well. We have chosen 32 Bangladeshi pharmaceuticals and chemical firms and employed agency theory with a 160 observations from 5-year panel data from 2015 to 2019. Secondary panel data was collected from the annual reports and sustainability report through content analysis. Random effect generalized least square regression model was employed in a panel data setting to investigate the aforementioned relationship. From this statistical analysis, we have found that earnings management does have a significant relationship with the economic and environmental dimension of sustainability. However, the social dimension of sustainability doesn't have any significant relationship with earnings management. We hope and believe this study would assist the policymakers and investors to illustrate the future sustainable performance of the firm and detect earnings management from three multidimensional perspectives. In our paper, we recommended that the industry should develop some specific monitoring and legal evaluation criteria to control the earnings management to accelerate sustainable economic and social development. We also recommended environmental reporting should be mandatory for listed firms, especially for the industries like pharmaceuticals and chemicals. And finally, the auditor should be given with proper incentives, expert professional training, and psychological exercise to polish the professional skepticism. In a final note, we would like to say that non-financial performance measurement, which is not linked to the earnings, can be encouraged for corporate sustainability. Because of some time limitation, we couldn't include other influencing variables like disclosure frequencies, gender diversity in the director board that may be included in the future to generalize the result in other industries as well. Thank you for your kind attention.